No. Now notice that yellow sign. What does it mean to you? The lane is ending. Speed up. Go fast or else you're dead. Come on. See, you're not paying attention. You could have lost your life right there. Okay? You're running out of road space. Your judgment was really off.
I thought I had more room than that.
You thought.
Yeah, I did.
Well, that's exactly it. You thought, but you didn't. So let's say you drag your ears, that truck would smash you up. Okay. That's why you pay attention. There are only two options you have. Either slow down and get behind that vehicle, or run like hell. Get out of the way.
Yeah.
Alright, so you just barely made it before you crashed, because anyhow you accelerated like that on the gravel, you would get us all smashed. Alright, speed up. It's 60, get the speed up. So that was a very close call. Don't let that happen on the test. Okay, you look ahead, you see things, you have to have better judgment so you know when to go or if you should stop or slow down. Okay, that's it.